Welcome, today I am with Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra and I'll show you the loudest speaker level of this device. I'm gonna measure sound level with this decibel meter. Right now I'm gonna turn it off and set up to the highest volume mode. So right now this device will only register the highest volume level than the previous one. And of course I'm gonna turn on this device, our Xiaomi, at the highest volume level, as you can see. And right now we can start the test. Okay, so as you can see, Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra reached 113.2 decibels. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.